What's up, guys? Want to share with you guys this utility blade or utility knife that I got from Milwaukee. This is the where's the name? Compact side sliding utility knife. It's the first time I see this. I had to order this online, and it's plastic, or okay, stops right there. Stops right there. Oh, that's pretty cool. Okay, 1 stop, 2 stops, 3 stops. Perfect. I like this one. I think it's plastic. Yeah, it's made out of this type of plastic. If you have a, here's for size comparison. This is the utility knife, multi-knife, or whatever it's called. It has a little screw, Phillips, and a flat bit. Then has a bottle opener. This one came out recently. It's not, I think this year, I believe so. So still more compact, this one. Oh no, I think this one came out this year too. I don't remember, this or last year. Okay. This also has the bit changer or extension, whatever. This is the knife. Now that's the model for this one. A fastback. I mean, there are many videos out there for this knife. This is the fastback. Also very compact, very small. Oh, here's the now how to replace the blade. You just push that button, then you push it. Okay, it's not holding it. Okay, okay. Now part number for this one. Part number for this one. It's a very nice knife, like this one. I think it's gonna be very useful. I'm gonna probably leave this one inside this toolbox. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. See you next time.